继续来看，台积电董事长魏德嘉找时甲美国总统川普见面，过来是甲美国的商务部长霍华德开记者会，宣布增加投资1000亿的美金，要来扩建工厂。魏德嘉表示，要国起3间晶圆厂，也有2间封装厂，甲1间研发中心。川普嘛，佫一概讲到加拿大甲墨西哥应该就像台积电安尼，伫美国生产就无关税问题。
甲美国总统川普一个商务部长霍华德会谈了，台积电董事长魏德嘉伫北京开共同记者会，宣布台积电会个投资1000亿美金扩厂。
We are going to build 3 more new fabs. After we promised 3 fabs already, and another 2 very advanced packaging fab, and most important, R&D center also in Arizona.
If they did them in Taiwan to send them here, they'll have 25% or 30% or 50% or whatever the number may be someday. It'll go only up. But by doing it here, he has no tariffs.
川普除了佫讲关税问题，也佫讲世界上上强大 AI 晶片将会伫咧美国制造，这将会占台积电生产晶片正大一部分。也强调台积电总部主要是伫台湾。有记者问讲，若中国决定要孤立或者是占领台湾，是毋是让上大限度减少对美国晶片的影响
I can't say minimize. That would be a catastrophic event, obviously. But it will at least give us a position where we have, in this very, very important business, we would have a very big part of it in the United States. So it would have a big impact if something should happen with Taiwan.
川普也强调，伫咧美国生产晶片甲半导体是关系到国家安全。在此进前，美国伫咧全世界市场占比差不多是0，即马将会到40%，是正大的成长。公司新闻张伟林、蒋建光编译。